In this quick 2025 guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore your WhatsApp messages from iCloud backup, whether you're switching iPhones, lost your chats, or just reinstall the app. First, open your Settings app and tap your Apple ID at the top. Now, tap iCloud, then scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. Here, tap on your device name under Backups and make sure WhatsApp is toggled on in the list. Once confirmed, go back and tap Backup Now to make sure you've got the latest version saved to iCloud. Now, let's delete WhatsApp so we can start fresh. Tap and hold the app, hit Remove App, and confirm the deletion. Next, open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and reinstall it. What it installs, open the app, agree to the terms, and enter your phone number. After verifying, WhatsApp will detect your iCloud backup and ask if you want to restore your chat history. Just tap Restore and it will begin pulling in all your messages, media, and call logs from the backup. Once it's done, tap Next, enter your name, and you're all set. Your entire chat history, including photos and videos, is now restored on your iPhone.